Smith with Smith & Son Plumbing, proving we care with every repair. And this week we're going to talk about the signs and symptoms of slab leaks and also the 3 different ways that you make repairs on those. So we talked about last week about what is a slab leak, so you can go back and watch that video. But I guess the biggest thing is people that get high water bills and there's no explanation. It's not in the middle of summer, you don't have your sprinkler systems running, you're not filling up your pool, and your water bill spikes. That generally means you have a leak somewhere you can't see, and most of the time it's going to be under the slab. Second to that would be if you have a water spot or something that's some part of your floor or wall that gets moist and you're not sure where it's coming from. That would be the second thing that I would look for. If you have like hot spots on your floor, it's a sign that you have a hot water slab leak, because it'll actually heat up your floor. Unless you have a dog laying around, don't jump the gun on it, but that'd be something to watch for. And as far as drains, if you got a broken drain underneath your slab, it can cause a backup on your drain system as well. So if you have a toilet that flushes fine one time, or a tub that drains fine at first and then it starts backing up, that might be a slab leak issue. And then the 3 different forms that are 3 different ways that we go about making those repairs. Be number 1, we would tunnel in underneath. It's very non-invasive to the inside of the home. Number 2, we bust through the floor. We make the repair through the house. And if it's a water line, that would be the third option, would be able to go up and over. It's called a reroute. So we actually cut into the sheetrock and go around that way. So if you have any questions about this video, please leave it in the comments. But come back next week and join us on Master Plumber Monday. Give us those questions and comments, and we'll talk to you next week.